Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm again back with Meesho haul, and after a long time I'm doing a kurta haul this time, and I'm very much excited guys because I have lot of stuffs. I have like casual wear kurtas, I have like function wear kurtas. I hope you guys will enjoy this video as much as I do. If you like my content, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and share it with your friends and family. Without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Alright, the first dress which I'm going to show you guys is this one. This is the only kurta which doesn't have bottom, and this is such a beautiful dress guys. And look at the finishing. It has a very beautiful finishing in the front. I really like the prints on it. It looks really elegant. You can also see in the try on video. I really like this color combination. It looks really neat, and the quality is also very nice. It's like cotton material. Very nice dress guys. I would recommend this particular dress to you guys. I got it in medium size and it fits me perfectly. And coming to the price, okay, the price of this particular dress is 370 rupees after discount. Okay, there is no discount for this, but I think it's quite affordable guys because the quality of this dress is really nice. If you like this dress, you can definitely go for it. I really like this one, and I'll put the product links in the description box. If you like it, you can go for it. So the next dress which I'm going to show you guys is this one. This is in like a cream color. Let me show you guys. This is more like a function wear kurta. This is how the kurta looks like. Such a beautiful kurta guys. I really like the front detailing. It has like a v-neck. I really like dresses with v-neck because it suits my body type, and I got it in medium size. It has like a 3/4 sleeves, and all over the dress you get this beautiful prints. I really like this flower prints guys. It looks really nice, and there is a side slit. Very beautiful dress. You can also see in the try on video. This is how the dupatta looks like. I really like the dupatta because it has like all the colors. It looks really nice. This is how the border looks like. It's such a beautiful dress, but coming to the bottom, I did not like it guys. This is how the bottom looks like. Again, I got it in medium size, and they have given elastic, but it doesn't fit me guys. It was very tight. Somehow I managed to wear this dress, but only drawback is this pant. I think if you have like a pear shape, it will not fit you. You might have to go like one size bigger, maybe that might fit you. This dress has a very special place in my heart, but this pant is not fitting me guys, which is very off. Like I was very disappointed when I saw the pant. I thought like I'll keep this dress, but unfortunately this is not fitting me. Like you can go for one size bigger and get it altered. Okay, the price of this particular dress is 775 rupees, and there are like two colors in this. There is one more which is in pink color. It has like a different print, and there is no discount on this guys, but nonetheless this dress looks really beautiful. You can also see in the try on video, you can go for one size bigger and get it altered guys. That's the only option, but I really like this dress. If you like it, you can definitely go for it. And the next dress which I'm going to show you guys is this one. This is like a casual wear dress. Like you can wear it to office or outside. This is how the dress looks like. This is like a very big, oversized dress guys. I got it in medium size, you can see, but I tried this clothes, so it's all wrinkled up, so don't mind guys. So they have given like a 3/4 sleeves. This dress is very big guys. You can see in the try on video also, but I really like the color and the buttons that they have used. It looks really nice, and they have also given a bottom for this. I really like the bottom, and this is how it looks like. They have given a good elastic, and this is like quite straight fit pant. You can use this pant for other tops as well, and I think this is quite affordable. And let me tell you the price of this particular dress. Okay, the price of this particular dress is 494 rupees, and there is no discount on this. I ordered in light green color. They have given me in brown color. So I did not really like this dress because it's very big on me. It doesn't look nice at all. I really like loose dresses, but this is like too loose, guys. It doesn't look nice on me, so I would not recommend this particular dress. You can select the other dresses if you like. So let's move on to the next dress. The next one which I'm going to show you guys is this one. This is one of my favorite. Let me show you guys. This is how the top looks like. Again, this is like a sleeveless dress, guys. There is no cloth inside for the sleeves, and they have given like a v-neck. As you guys know, I like v-neck dresses. And look at the print, guys. It has like a very beautiful rose print, and this is like not white color, it's in cream color. It looks really nice. And even the bottom also, they have given same prints. They have given a good elastic, and there is also a pocket, I guess. No, there is no pocket, guys. And this is how the bottom looks like. And there is also a dupatta for this. This is how the dupatta looks like. Dupatta is quite, plain. There is no design on it. And in the bottom, in the corners, you get this kind of finishing. Dupatta is very soft. They have used a very good cloth. The price of this particular dress is 619 rupees, and there is no discount on this. There are like 3 colors, and the last color looks like very similar to the one which I showed you guys. I think that's like a dark maroon color. I'm not really sure, but I really like this one, guys. I think it's like a cotton material. Okay, they have mentioned like it's rayon material, but it's very soothing on the skin. Definitely you can go for it if you like this dress. And the next dress which I'm going to show you guys is one of my favorite. It's in red color. I don't have red color dresses much, and this is how the top looks like. I tried all these dresses, guys, so yeah, this is how the top looks like. It's such a beautiful dress, guys. I think this is like a silk material. I'll tell you guys in a bit like what material is this. And this is how the sleeves looks like. You can wear these dresses to functions, I feel, because it looks little grand, right? And here is the bottom. In the front you get this kind of finishing. Behind they have given this elastic, and it fits me perfectly, guys. I really like the pant fitting. And there is also a pocket in this, which is a plus point. Let me show you the dupatta. I really like the dupatta, guys, because it has a very nice prints on it. Look at it. You can also see in the try on video, but I'm just showing you guys. So yeah, this is how it looks like. I really like the dupatta, and you get to see this kind of tassels also. So yeah, I'll tell you the price of this. Okay, the price of this particular dress is 723 rupees, and there is one more color in this, which is in maroon color. You can try that as well. So I will provide all the product links in the description box. I really like this dress, guys. If you like it, you can definitely go for it. And the next dress which I'm gonna show you guys is also one of my favorite. This is how it looks like. I mean, I really like this color. Again, I don't have anything in this color. This is how the dress looks like. I mean, just look at the embroidery, guys. It looks very rich. I hope you guys can see. See? It looks really nice. I'm not really sure like what kind of embroidery is this, but yeah, they have given a 3/4, I mean almost full sleeves, and there is no design in the bottom. You get this kind of detailing. Very nice dress, and it's very soft. Let me show you the bottom. This is how the bottom looks like. Bottom fits me really well, and there's also a pocket in this, which is a plus point. They have given like a narrow fit pant. I really like the dupatta, guys. Just look at it. Very beautiful again. See, this is how the borders looks like, and the dupatta looks very beautiful, I feel. It goes really well with the dress. Okay, the price of this particular dress is 1080 rupees, and the fabric quality is viscose. Viscose is a very good quality cloth, so definitely you can go for this, guys. I really like the fitting, everything is really nice. And in the picture they have given like yellow color, it's not yellow, this is like mehendi yellow color, which I really like. And the next dress which I'm gonna show you guys is this one. I really like this dress, but there is one drawback in this dress. I'll just tell you guys. Firstly, look at the dress. This is how it looks like. I mean, the color is so beautiful, guys. It's like pastel blue color, I think so, I'm not really sure. Yeah, this is how it looks like. I got it in medium size. Again, they have given this kind of finishing in the sleeves, and it's quite simple dress, but I really like this color. And this is how the bottom looks like. Okay, coming to the bottom doesn't fit me at all, guys. If you're like a pear-shaped body, it will not fit you. So you can go for one size bigger, that might fit you. I got it in medium size. I think if I get it in large size, this might fit me. They have given elastic, but still this is not fitting me, guys. It's really, you know, putting me off. So yeah, this is how it looks like. They have given like a narrow fit pant. There's no point showing this dress, but again, if you like this one, you can go for a bigger size and get it altered. So that is the only option left. And this is how the dupatta looks like. I really like the dupatta, guys. It's like georgette material, I guess, and it goes really well with the dress, I feel. Alright, the price of this particular dress is 779 rupees. I think it's very affordable, guys, because the dress quality is nice. But keep in mind, go for one size bigger. If it is not fitting, you can anyway exchange it or return it. So I would recommend this particular dress. If you like it, you can definitely go for it. So yeah, that is it for today's video, guys. If you like my content, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and share it with your friends and family. And also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram handle. Until I upload a next video, take care. Bye bye.